The Clever Rabbit and the Cunning Wolf. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, many animals lived happily. One day, a cunning wolf came into the forest. Every day, he caught and ate one animal. All the animals were very scared. One day, it was the turn of a clever rabbit. The rabbit thought and made a smart plan. He slowly went to the wolf and said, "Sorry I'm late. I met another wolf on the way. He said he is the king of the jungle." The wolf became very angry. "Show me that other wolf," the wolf growled. The rabbit took him to a well. The wolf looked into the well and saw his own reflection. He thought, "That wolf looks just like me." In anger, the wolf jumped into the well and could not come out. All the animals were happy and praised the clever rabbit. Moral of the story is, with wisdom and cleverness, even big problems can be solved.